This is for a quality check for invoice 113039 for the 58ELK120 pump that's been sent back to us. This is the pump in question. It has been connected to my tester box. It has hoses going from the water, and this is where it will come out to. I'm going to go ahead and test it now using our system here. Put this on. Okay, so this is running. It's vibrating. Pulling the water in now. Alright, there we go. That's where all the air is now out. It has now stopped briefly because of my tool here. And there's a little bit of a leak here at my hose, but that's about it on that. And it's reading about 120 here. My base is 100, so it's reading 120 at the top, and then of course it's still leaking from my hose here. But that is it doing exactly what it should be. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. There we go. And then I'm gonna relieve all the pressure. So, other than my leak, it did get to 120. You can see here, my base is 100 there. So it got to 200 during use, and 220, that is 120 extra PSI, when it was blocked and not actually in use. So it's doing exactly what it should be. I don't see any issues with it on that front. I don't know what the complaints with the issue were, but as far as I can tell is that with this testing, it looks just like all the other pumps that I test that are fine.